Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. On the gold market, guys, we in general have the same situation as yesterday, and as you can see, the gold market looks a bit more heavy than the forex markets, because on the forex markets most currencies, the major currencies already have continued the rally that has happened on Friday, and euro currency has created a new top. So the forex market shows more active following to rally that we have on Friday, while on the gold market you can see the market looks a bit heavy, and the action that we see right now on the daily chart to me looks more bearish rather than bullish, because take a look, after the rally up we have inside sessions, 1, 2, 3, 4 inside sessions after the Friday rally. Also, guys, take a look, the market is challenging the 1085 area and has failed every time. It has happened the last time when it has challenged it was yesterday, and what is more interesting that this area in fact is the monthly pivot point, and we know as market stands below the pivot it means that the sentiment is bearish, and market still can't quite break through this pivot point. That suggests existing of the bearish sentiment in the market, and it looks bearish. Currently it's difficult to say what particular it presses on the market. Either this is the future Fed Reserve meeting on the next week, or this could be from the technical point of view, maybe existence of this target, this 1037 that hasn't been hit yet, is also press on the market, and the market gravitates to complete this target. But anyway, current action doesn't look yet as the really bearish, really bullish. On the 4-hour time frame chart, guys, we again return back to the discussion of the possible A, B, C top D pattern. As you can see, market yesterday has shown the deep retracement up. This led us to get the agreement support area, 1062 area, because you can see if market will complete this A, B, C, D pattern, the target of this ABCD stands precisely at the 618 support from this low to this top, the 1062, and that creates the agreement support. Theoretically, here we could suggest possible butterfly buy, butterfly sell. For example, I will just show you. This could be the left wing of this butterfly. It's 1618 extension stands 11 even. This could be the left wing of the butterfly. That could become the right wing. Theoretically, we could say that this chance isn't lost yet totally, because we know that the invalidation point of the butterfly stands right here at these lows. So only if market will drop below these lows, the possibility to get the butterfly will fail. But to be honest, guys, taking into consideration the last drop on yesterday that has happened here, market right now is going around the weekly pivot point, and it really has the chance to drop below the weekly pivot as well. And this behavior, that is some kind of the bearish grabber, because take a look, market just has shift trend bullish on this candle, and on the next candle it has erased this shift and shifted back to the bearish. I call it as the two candle grabber pattern. Judd Napoli doesn't talk on the 2 days grabber, two candle grabber, but my experience tells that this combination very often works as the simple grabber on the market. That's why I would suggest that existing of this combination could really lead market to the taking out of these lows, and this in turn will mean that the butterfly will fail and market will complete this ABCD pattern. Other words speaking, guys, currently I would better stay aside from the long position, and it's really dangerous right now to think about it to taking long position. So personally, I do not want to go in long here on the gold market right now. Also, guys, just return back to the discussion on the daily chart. Here and taking into consideration the moments that we have just discussed here, I would suggest that we probably should be ready for some kind of the significant drop lower. So we would get either some kind of the double bottom. This could be, for example, Jet Napoli double repo pattern that also usually has two bottoms, or it will be the classical double bottom pattern here. At best, we will get the reversal pattern, or we even could get some downward continuation. That's all that we could get right now. The best case, this will be some kind of the reversal pattern, but with the deep action first to the downside, somewhere in an area of the previous lows. Because initially we have suggested that maybe we will get some kind of the brand bottom or something of that sort, but as soon as market hasn't completed it and wasn't able to pass through this resistance and reach the fib level, this opportunity has been destroyed by the recent action. That's why if we will get lucky and we will get the reversal pattern, this pattern probably will be with some kind of action that suggests existing of some sort of the double bottom, something of that sort. It's anyway will suggest some deep retracement here back to the previous bottoms, and that's logical because we have the strong bearish momentum here that still exists on the market. Market needs some time to fade it. That's why the existing of this appearing of this deep retracement seems absolutely logical. So, as you can see, our suggestion and expectation of the gold market approximately the same as yesterday. But right now, the chances that market will form some kind of the ABCD action on the 4-hour time frame chart becomes even stronger than it was yesterday.